The man without a purpose is like a ship without a rudder, waif, a nothing, a no man. Have a purpose in life, and having it, throw such strength of mind and muscle into your work as God has given you. From a very young age, I was on my own, thrown straight into the workforce. So from the age of 18 to 25, I worked about 15 different styles of jobs. Everything you can think of, from bartending, serving, cooking, to construction, landscaping, to front desk work, to warehouse work. All different types of jobs, trying to find something that brought me purpose and made me feel fulfilled. And I didn't find it in any of them. Yeah, sometimes my coworkers were cool. Sometimes the job was kind of laid back. But I still felt empty and feeling that disconnection from my core, feeling disconnected from finding out who I truly was and why I'm here, made me feel weak. And that leaked into every other area of my life. It affected my self-worth. It affected my friendships. It affected my romantic relationships. It affected my confidence, my discipline, everything, because I felt disconnected from the core of who I was. And as I slowly and surely, through self-development, through things like exercise and reading, started to find out a little bit more about who I was and what I wanted to do with my life, I began to connect with my deepest core. I began to connect with my most authentic self, and how I like to say it, began to walk with God, began to find my purpose. Obviously, I'm still on that path of truly finding out what it is, and maybe that path never ends. And as a man, if you don't find out what that is, you will always feel that emptiness. You will always show up to a job that will just be a job. You will always come home to your woman who you love deeply, but you still feel something is missing. And once you find that your purpose, that's what's truly going to bring you that fulfillment, and then that will overflow. Like I started to notice when I began to do the things that felt authentic to me, is when that, I'm just gonna drink some water real quick, is when that overflow of authenticity poured into my work, poured into my intimacy with the women or woman I was seeing at the time, and also allowed me to give my gift to the world through doing YouTube. And once you find out why you're here or what your purpose is, you'll know, because you have that true fulfillment that lies in your deepest desire of your heart. And once you have that feeling and you know what that feels like, that's when you can really create a life worth living. That's when you can really harness the gifts that you've been given. And it takes a lot of time. You have to try so many different things, or at least in my experience, to find out what you're good at, first of all, because you need to have skill in whatever you're doing, and then figure out how you can best serve it to the world and how you can unlock your most authentic self. So it's really, really important to continue the search if you haven't found it, to find your purpose and to live in your most authentic self. All right, guys, that is it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop the video a like, make sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.